YouTube. Eric DIY with another review. We're outdoors, we're cooking, we're camping out in the front yard, and we have these outdoor anywhere marshmallow roasting sticks, and they're telescoping. They also come in their own bag, 10 of them in the bag, and they also come with some regular cooking sticks. We're actually going to focus on the marshmallow rotating roasting sticks. One thing Zach and I always love to do is roast marshmallows, and we're using the outdoor anywhere marshmallow roasting sticks to do that. If you like the LED headlamps, we'll be doing a review on these really shortly, and we'll leave a link below in the description. And these are great. You have a good reach on these. It's about a good, say about 3 feet. Keeps you far away from the fire. And they roast marshmallows very well. And once again, we're using the BioLite Camp Stove 2 for our fire for roasting marshmallows. How's they taste, Zach?
Good.
Awesome. The other thing about the outdoor anywhere marshmallow roasting sticks is that you can actually rotate it. The handle rotates, so you can turn your marshmallow with a fire. You get it to evenly cook on all sides of the marshmallow. All right, the other thing that you can do with the marshmallow roasting sticks, you can roast anything. You can even roast turkey hot dogs. Go ahead, Zach. And the thing about these roasting sticks too is they're far enough away where nothing's gonna burn you down here where the metal is, because it's that far away. So they're telescoping, they turn, they do everything that you need for a roasting stick, and you'll never be using a regular stick again to roast things. Now you think that you wouldn't want to buy sticks because you could just use any stick, but these are pretty good.
Yeah.
I gotta be honest with you, and they give you a 10, so if you get a couple dirty, you can use new ones like we did, right?
Yeah, so if you lost your wooden stick, or if you don't have one, or any sticks that fell down from any kind of storm, you can use these.
That's right, and they won't be dirty.
Uh-huh.
All right, and they telescope, so if you want more control over your hot dog, you just rain that thing in there. Outdoor anywhere, thumbs up on the marshmallow roasting sticks.
Yeah.
Great job. And I would be the first one to say, I don't need a roasting stick, I just use a stick, but these are great, and we'll be using these for a very long time. If you'd like to pick up your outdoor anywhere 32-inch rotating telescopic marshmallow roasting sticks, which can also roast other things, by the way, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a like on the video and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.